Hello everyone! On today's episode of Get Smart with SwapSmart, we will be teaching you a general hard reset for LG devices as most have the same process. Before we begin, make sure your device is powered off by pressing the power button. To hard reset your device, you will need to hold the volume down button and power button together. Once the device vibrates, quickly release the power button and then immediately press the power button again, while still holding the volume down button. Okay, let's give it a try. Hold the volume down button and the power button together. Only release the power button and now quickly press it again. You will then release all buttons once the factory reset screen appears. Use the volume down button to scroll to yes and press the power button to select. You will be asked to confirm. Press the power button to select yes. Wait for the factory reset to complete and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, or leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.